This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, 2011, 2015. And if you need to find the power steering fuse, it's actually not listed in the fuses, in these fuses, the simple fuses that control a lot of electrical systems, because it's actually located here. There's a third fuse box in this car. One in the interior, one is here in the engine bay, and this is the third fuse box. What you need to do, here is the latch for this fuse box, plastic latch. Just open it with your finger, and then here just open this lid, and you will have access to the big fuses that control big systems. And the power steering fuse is this one. It's not that easy to replace because it's actually a cable clamp, so you probably need some professional help from an electrician. But it's fuse number 3, 80 amp fuse. So that's basically what it takes to get to the power steering fuse. And it's in a lot of cases, when power steering doesn't work and you have power steering codes, when you scan it with OBD, it's actually in most cases the problem with this fuse. But replacing it on your own, it's not that easy.